All right guys, today we're getting out of our comfort zone and we're making a pizza at the house on the Yoder. So I've got the pizza oven over there. We're fixing to open it up. It'll be our first time trying a pizza at the house. So if you've got any pro tips on pizza or a favorite sauce or a favorite dough that you like, drop them in the comments. But we're gonna see how we do with this Central Market pizza dough. It was a frozen dough ball that we got at HEB Central Market. So we moved it into the refrigerator yesterday, let it sit overnight, and man, we're fixing to open up this pizza oven and we'll show you the dough and we'll try to make a pizza and see how she turns out. Stay with us. All right guys, here is the pizza made in the USA, Yoder Smokers. Get this thing turned around and get her opened up. Instructions. More instructions. We got it out of the box. There she is. All shined up. She'll probably never look like this again. It's good footage of her. This is the dough we're working with. It's a Central Market pizza dough. And just round it into a little ball. Get some of our flour on it. Turn it into a little dough ball. Again, I'm no professional. I'm just forming a little ball to where a little dough ball. Now we'll begin to make it into a pizza. I'm just going to try to making this thing a pizza. Working it out. Maybe let gravity do some of this work for us. Forming it into shape of that. I think I just need to do it with my fingertips here. Let's see there. Some more flour. Just put it on here. Just been getting it stretched out. It starts to look like a pizza. A little bit of sure she's got some movement to her. Start out with a little bit and see what she does. Start layering some of these pepperonis. Keep lining up these pepperonis. Now we'll go in with some cheese. And I've got some thicker cut pepperonis that I'll stick on here. Black olives. Somebody likes black olives. I think get you a black olive and pepper black. And I think we're ready to go. I'm gonna glove up my wife. 472. It's okay. So we're at 2.5 minutes and we're gonna check it. Oh, it seems to be cooking pretty even. Is it darker on one side or no? No. We'll give her another 30 seconds. All right, so we're gonna give it another look-see and maybe give it a spin. Give it a little spin. See what the bottom, and it's feeling pretty stiff on that bottom too. with that hot club. And I don't think it's much longer. Maybe another 20 seconds. All right, I think we're gonna pull it. Take her inside. So we'll see if we can slide out a piece. Do the little fold over. Pretty good.
Okay.
Yeah, I'm good, pizza. That looks like a pizza there. Our very first pizza on the Yoder. Tastes great. And there you have it, pizza on the Yoder. We'll see you on the next video.